Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about Humphrey Fellowship, a Fulbright exchange program. This program is located in United States, and if you want to move to United States for this program, you can watch this video. I have made this Word file, okay, to summarize all the details. Then we'll also go to web page to discuss. If we have missed anything, then we will discuss in detail, okay. And if you want to join the WhatsApp group, I have added the link in the description. You can click on that link to join our WhatsApp group as well. Now, Humphrey Fellowship Program. Humphrey Fellowship Program, a Fulbright exchange built connection between US and foreign leaders to advance solution to the most pressing global challenges, from climate change to protecting human rights, increasing access to education, and building global health security. So this is the purpose of this program, okay. Now, Humphrey Fellowship Program was founded in 1978 to honor the late Senator and Vice President Humphrey H. Humphrey. President Jimmy Carter announced the establishment of the Humphrey Fellowship Program, okay. Now the summary of the program is Humphrey Fellowship Summary. The host countries: United States of America. You will study in USA. Categories are training and fellowships. Eligible countries are eligible countries. All countries are like eligible to apply, and reward is full sponsorship. Deadline is very like country to country. Humphrey Fellowship detail. Humphrey Fellowship Program is a Fulbright exchange activity funded by U.S. Department of State, administered by Institute of International Education. The fellowship is a 10-month program offered to mid-career professionals with a proven track record of leadership, a public service commitment, and a capacity to take full advantage of self and defined program of independent non-degree study at leading US university. The requirements, eligibility requirements for 2024 Humphrey Fellowship are: you should be citizen of eligible countries. We will discuss which countries are eligible to apply, okay. Have a undergraduate bachelor's degree, have minimum of 5 years of full-time professional experience, and demonstrated leadership qualities and record of public service in the community. Limited experience in United States, demonstrated English language ability. So these are the requirements to apply for the fellowship program. The benefits of program are: they will offer you the scholarship for 10 months, okay. We will discuss that in web page. Now, interested applicant must apply through US Embassy or binational Fulbright Commission in their country. Application must contain complete answer to all questions. Essay responses in English must thoroughly address the prompt. Two letters of reference in English. One must be from the applicant's current employer. Official transcripts in English. Ensure all the transcripts uploaded by the applicant are official valid document. Transcripts must list courses taken and grades received. Diplomas need to be uploaded if the transcript does not show proof that degree was obtained. How you can apply, will come to that web page, okay. Now here they have discussed all the details of this fellowship. You can see here we have already discussed this, okay. Impact areas are human and institutional capacity, sustainable lands, okay, and right and freedom. Interested in Humphrey program, you can learn more, okay. So you can click here. Now here they have discussed how to apply for this program, okay. So eligibility, we have discussed already, like who is eligible to apply. You can learn, click here to learn more, okay, for the eligibility requirements. You can see here, okay, we have already discussed these details. Now, Humphrey Fellowship is a non-degree program. It is designed to provide broad professional enrichment, okay, through a combination of activities tailored to each Humphrey Fellowship interest. U.S. embassies and Bright commissions have important tasks to identify accomplished professionals in various fields. So this is how you can apply for this fellowship. If you will have any question, you can see here frequently asked question. You can click here, learn more. Okay, and these are the frequently asked question. What is the deadline of the application? If you have any question, you can see here. Okay, the application deadlines varies countries by country. Okay, where can I access the application? You can contact the US Embassy. Okay, to access the Humphrey Fellowship application. Program timelines are mentioned here. Okay, so all these details, may I bring my family with me? Okay, you can see here. If you have any question, okay, you can see there frequently asked questions. For example, if you have a question like what does fellowship include? Okay, so it includes the payment of tuition and fee at the assigned host university, also pre-academic English language training if required, and living allowance including a one-time settling in allowance and accident and sickness coverage. Book allowance will be covered, one-time computer subsidy will be covered, and also air travel. International travel to and from US for the program will be covered, and professional development allowance for professional activities such as trips, professional visits, and conferences will be covered. Okay. Similarly, what is the program timeline? You can see here. And if you have a question like I work part-time in professional position while I was in graduate school, I'm eligible. So candidate for Humphrey program should have at least 5 years of full-time experience in their professional field. And if you have I am not proficient in English as a measured by test, you don't have TOEFL or else, I'm eligible. Candidate with lowest testing score may be brought to the United States for English language training before beginning the program at their host. Okay, host university. If necessary, testing alternatives such as international language testing else you can take. Okay, if I am selected, what are the time demands of the program? Humphrey is quite rigorous, and life as a Humphrey Fellowship does not resemble for that of graduate student with a regular hours and a predictable schedule. There are many activities required for Humphrey Fellowship as a part of the program. We have already discussed, may I bring my family with me? So Humphrey may choose to apply to have their family join them shortly after they arrive in United States. However, consideration should be given to the bringing one's family, as Humphrey program is depending and fellows spend considerable time away from their host campus. Okay, so you need to include all these factors when you are deciding to bring your family with you. Okay, may I choose university when I attend during fellowship are not able to choose which university they will attend. Instead, they assigned to diverse groups. Okay, for most appropriate host institution based on their area of interest and professional field. If I am not selected this year, may I reapply? Participant generally may reapply for this program. However, please consult embassy of or full Fulbright commission in your country for specific guidelines about doing so.